So I promised you to show you how I sharpen the pencil. Most people, of course, would do like this, which ain't bad, but it's just not professional. You use your thumb to push the knife. See? Much controlled, much easier, and you don't end up swinging your blade into somebody, right? And you make it long. You do make it long. Why? Because you can put your pencil like this against surfaces. So again, see how easy it is? And everyone asks me, why do you do it on both ends? Well, because I pick up pencil probably several hundred times a day, or I fish it out of my pocket, and I just don't want to flip it back and forth. And what if it breaks? Right, one side breaks, I still have another side to work with before I have to go and sharpen. So it saves me basically 5 minutes a day. Multiply by 20-30 years, and it's gonna be like a week. I don't want to spend a week flipping a pencil back and forth, okay? I use flat ones so they don't roll under things, because they always roll, the round ones. All right, that's how you do it.